Color me your color, darling, I know who you are. Come up off your color chart, I know where you're coming from. Call me on the line, you can call me anytime. Call me, I'll arrive, you can call me any day or night. Call me. Hey everybody, I'm Vasco and today I'll show you how I'm playing Call Me by Blondie on a high G string ukulele. We'll do it in the original key, so after that you'll be able to practice with the original recording. So grab your ukulele and let's go through the tutorial. Alright, the song starts with the intro, which is maybe the most challenging part because the rhythmic side of it is a little bit tricky, but I'll explain it to you. So we start with the chord of D minor. And let's try to play just the C string 2 times, okay? And then down, up. So we start like this. After that, C string, again down, up, again C string, and very quickly G to F. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... okay? And the second time that we're repeating this, actually we're going F to C, all right? And this is the intro. Alright, after that we're using this same thing as an interlude. Let's see how it goes with the tempo. And we start the verse, which is D minor. Color me your color, baby, to B flat. One more time, the same thing. I know who you are. And here we go to G to A. Again, G to A. And after that we go to the chorus, which is D minor to F, and then to G to B flat. Call me, I'll arrive, you can call me any day or night. Call me. And here we go to the interlude, which is the same as the intro. We are just repeating it 1 time instead of the 2 times that we're doing it in the intro. And we go to the second verse, which is pretty much the same as the first, just on the last A we're holding for 1 more bar to build up the tension more. Da, pa, 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 da. Da, 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 pa, 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 da. Call me on the line, you can call me anytime. And after the second chorus we go to the second interlude, which starts the same as the first one, but after that we are changing the key, which is leading after that to the bridge. But let's see how it goes. This is the same, but after that we go to E minor, to A to G, okay? So together. Ooh, and we go to the bridge. We start with E minor. Ooh, he speaks the languages of love, to B minor. And again, this thing, we're repeating it 2 times. Da, pa, pa, da, da. And then we have F, down, ba, da, pa, pa, da, to C, da, 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 da. And here we have something specific. We go to D minor, but the first bar we have is 4-4, and the second one is 2-4. So on the first one we are counting to 4, on the second one we are counting to 2, and going to the B flat after that. So let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the little specific thing in the bridge. Ooh, do, 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 da, da. Da, 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 ba, 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 ba. Da, 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 ba, 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 da, da. Da, 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 da. Da 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 da. And after that we go to the solo, which is basically with the exact same chords as the bridge. And after the solo we just have another chorus as an outro. Call me on the line, you can call me anytime. And then it just fades out. You can just finish it on D minor because this is the key that we are in. And this sums up my tutorial for Call Me by Blondie. Thank you so much for watching it. Request songs in the comments below, and you'll see me on the next one. Goodbye.